ẹ má bínú, mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ recording. Welcome back to my channel. This is Master BCN TV. I want to show you how to sharpen varieties set of clipper blades under some minutes. I want to show you how to sharpen varieties, different type of clipper blades with super hard manual sharpening stone, professionally, logically, technically. Okay, let us go into the feed now. But before we go, please subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to be getting the access to see all my YouTube videos. At the same time, press the notification button so that I can be able to be seeing the new updating. How to use super hard manual sharpening stone to sharpen varieties type of clipper blades under some minutes. Let us start from the upper clipper blades. You don't forget, after sharpening one blade, you need to retrieve the surface of your stone. You prepare it, you activate it for another clipper blade. We are starting from the upper clipper blades. I'll be picking them one by one. After the sharpening of the upper clipper blade, we now go into the bottom clipper blades. Don't forget again, after sharpening, you finish sharpening for each blade, then you retreat the surface of the stone you are using, that is activating of the surface of the stone, for another process again. Try to take note very well. It's normal slippery, that area. I have to clean the treatment. Don't forget, after finishing the sharpening of one blade, you need to retreat the surface of your stone before you start for another sharpening again. Don't forget, very, very compulsory. Don't forget, the reason why I did not apply the oil is that the oil is already plenty on the surface. So if I like, I may add another oil before using the special stone. And if I don't like, I may not use, because the oil is already on the surface plenty. That is why I use the special stone only. Application of the kerosene to cover the whole surface of the stone. So I'm going for the last upper clipper blade. So in sharpening of the clipper blade, we are looking for two things in the inner surface of the blade. We are looking for the total flatness and the total shining across, and we have gotten it. Can you see it? So I've sharpened all for the upper clipper blade. We are now going for the bottom clipper blades now. So for my advice, you start from the soft one, the StareX clipper blade. So before going, don't forget, you need to treat the surface of your stone very well. You need to treat it very well. Don't forget, it's very, very compulsory. It's very, very compulsory. You cannot jump it. You cannot jump it at all. This blade needs thorough sharpening. It needs thorough sharpening. They have repackaged it. Can you see the inner surface? Let me show you before I go further. Yeah, can you see this side? Work still remain there towards the edge. See that black portion? That area. That black portion. Can you see it in this way? See this black area? The stone has not touched that area. The stone has touched the remaining part. I've gained the total shiny and total flatness across the whole surface, but remain this area. I need to bring the shiny area down again, on to the level of that black area. Let us go So can you see? I want to test number one so that I can be able to see it very well. Can you see it now? So if you can sharpen your clipper blade and you test and you get the carbon feel to cover the whole surface of the blade, the inner part of it. Can you see it? Which means the blade is sharpened correctly. So when you treat it, you run it, you mount it on the clipper engine, it's going to work like a new clipper blade, even better than the new clipper blade. Can you see it? You see it in this way? Can you still see it again? So if you can sharpen your clipper blade and you test and you get this kind of a black carbon to cover the inner part of the clipper blade, the upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means the clipper blade has been sharpened correctly, logically, technically, professionally. Okay, it's going to work like a new clipper blade or even better than the new clipper blade. That is number two. Don't forget, you need to treat the surface of your stone before any sharpening. You need to treat the surface of your stone. That is the way I do in my own sharpening studio. You need to treat very well. Can you see it again? So if you can sharpen your clipper blade and you test and you get this kind of sign, which means you are a real professional sharpening of the clipper blade. When you test the clipper blade, it's going to work like a new or even better than the new clipper blade. That is number 3. You see, I always say it, this is ChaobA. This is ChaobA clipper blade. This is ChaobA. I want to show it so that I can be able to see it clearly. I want to show it. You can be able to see it clearly. This is ChaobA. It's not shown properly, but this is ChaobA. Once you are practicing, you are a learner or you're a real professional, if you can sharpen this clipper blade at home and you test and you get it correct, you are a real professional. So if you can be able to know how to sharpen this type of clipper blade, this one I hold exactly, this clipper blade, you can sharpen it very well. No type of clipper blade you cannot sharpen in this world. I'm telling you sincerely. Can you see it? Let us go into the field now. This blade is very, very stubborn. Can you see now? I've sharpened 3 sets without the sellotape removed. Can you see? The sellotape has removed now for number 1 time on the back of the ChaobA. That is why I'm telling you that this blade is very, very strong to sharpen. If you are not a real expert in sharpening of the clipper blade, you cannot get this set of clipper blade right. ChaobA is one of the most strongest blades so far in this world to sharpen. Can you see again? Very, very stubborn blade. Very, very stubborn blade. I'm telling you sincerely. But once, let very, very stubborn. I'm very, very sorry. But once you can get it right, it's going to work for a very, very longer period of time before the blade quench. I'm telling you sincerely, the blade before it will quench is going to work very, very for long period of time before the blade is going to dull again. Let me show you the inner surface we have sharpened now so that you can be able to see the process. I want you to watch carefully. Watch the inner part of it. You can see the shining inside here toward this center come across the back here. But when you look very well, I want you to watch this area and this area. I mean these two areas, these two portions. Let us go into the fit now. As usual, you need to treat the surface of your stone before the sharpening. You need to treat the surface before the sharpening. Can you see again? The masking tape has removed again. This blade is very, very strong to sharp. It's very, very strong to sharp. Very, very strong. ChaobA. ChaobA is very, very strong to sharp. And still we need to look for very, very strong masking tape. Very, very strong one. So if you are a real professional or you are learning sharpening, you can sharpen ChaobA. You have become master. You have become professional. You have become real master. Can you see it again? The blade is very, very stubborn to sharp. I want to press it very well. I want to press it very well. The blade is very, very strong to sharp. It's very, very strong to sharp. Can you see again? Can you see? The blade is very, very strong to sharp. But with experience, I have to get it right. It's very, very strong, very, very stubborn to sharp. Just check, just clean and check. Let us watch the differences. I want to show you something. I want you to watch very, very carefully. I'm coming. Yeah, watch carefully. Yeah, see this area, this little area? That is where the work remains. This black area, this small black area. You see that very small black area. Let's go into the feet again. Don't forget, treatment is very, very important. You need to activate the surface of your stone to make it very, very active. This is where the work remains here. Can you see again? Yeah, let us watch now. Let us watch. Let us watch. Can you see it now? So I've gained the total flatness and total shining across. Let us test now and see how it's going to be. This is going to be number 4 set now. This blade is very, very strong. You need to test it very well before the sign can show. It's not a soft blade. It's a very, very strong blade. Very, very strong to sharpen. ChaobA. If you can sharpen this blade at hold, you are a real professional. You can sharpen it and you test it and you get the normal sign. You are a real professional. Let us open and watch now. Can you see it now? Can you see it? This blade is sharpening correctly. That is number 4. Don't forget, before you sharpen, you need to treat the surface of your stone. Just clean and watch. Just clean and watch. Just clean and watch. Just clean and observe the inside. Just clean and watch. See, remain it to here. Just clean and watch. Yeah, let me show you now. Just watch the inside. Can you see it? We are getting the total flatness and total shining across. Can you see it? It has been sharpened correctly. I have gained the total flatness and the total shining across the surface of the inner surface of the clipper blade. Let us test now. You need to test it very well. This set of clipper blade 2 is one of the most strongest one again. It's just like ChaobA. Let us open and watch now. Can you see it? When you can sharpen your clipper blade and you can get this type of sign, you are a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade. Can you see it? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. This film you are watching, look under by the right hand side. You will see where the right SUBSURIB is subscribe. Use your finger just to press. It will now change to subscribe with notification bell. Press the notification bell so that I can be able to be seeing the new updating. As soon as I'm producing my video into my YouTube channel, you are going to be the number one to be seeing the video. still go back and watch the old ones. I've produced many videos, sharpening videos in the past. Go back, subscribe to my channel and go to my page. Go and search for them. There are plenty there. You can be able to watch, you practice, you learn, and you gain. Yeah, from there you become a master sharpening your own clip update by yourself. Can you see it? Yeah. I want to remove the masking tape at the back.